Ever wondered how to make a ramen burrito at home? Welcome to a culinary adventure that blends the rich, savory flavors of ramen with the hearty, satisfying comfort of a burrito. Imagine these two popular dishes, each a favorite in their own right, coming together in a fusion of tastes that's as fun to create as it is to devour. The best part? It's surprisingly easy to whip up this innovative meal in your own kitchen. Stay tuned to learn the simple steps to create this delectable dish. Before we dive into the process, gather all the necessary ingredients. First up, ramen noodles, the heart of our fusion dish. Then, grab some tortilla wraps to bundle up the flavors. Choose your cooked protein, be it savory chicken, succulent beef, or hearty tofu. Don't forget to add a rainbow of vegetables like crisp carrots, vibrant bell peppers, and crunchy cabbage. Lastly, get your sauces ready, tangy soy and fiery sriracha to amp up the taste. With all the ingredients ready, we can now start cooking. First up, we'll cook the ramen. Now, the art of cooking ramen noodles is simple yet critical. It begins with a pot of boiling water. The water's bubbling energy is the first greeting for our ramen noodles, so make sure it's boiling vigorously. Gently drop in the noodles. They'll initially sink, then gradually rise as they start to soften. Let them swirl and dance in the simmering water. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? Cooking time is key here. We're aiming for that perfect tender bite, not too soft, not too firm. Typically, this takes around 3 to 5 minutes, but do check the packet instructions. Remember, the goal is to avoid overcooking. We want our noodles to hold their shape and texture, especially since they'll be the star of our ramen burrito. And there you have it. Our ramen noodles are now cooked to perfection. Now that our ramen is cooked, it's time to assemble the burrito. The fun part begins now, assembling the ramen burrito. Let's start by laying out a large, warm tortilla wrap on a clean surface. This will be the cozy blanket for our ramen and other fillings. Next, we'll place the cooked ramen noodles right in the center. We want a good noodle to other ingredients ratio for that perfect bite. Now it's time to layer on the protein. Whether you've prepared succulent chicken, juicy pork, or marinated tofu, arrange it generously over the ramen. Don't forget the veggies. Crunchy carrots, crisp lettuce, and perhaps a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for that extra pop of flavor. The sauces are next. A drizzle of sweet and spicy sriracha, a touch of tangy soy, or a dash of creamy sesame. The choice is yours. Finally, roll up the burrito securely. Tuck in the sides, roll, and ensure everything is snug and tight. Voila! Your ramen burrito is ready to be savored. There you have it. A delicious ramen burrito made from the comfort of your home. We've traveled a culinary journey together, from gathering the ingredients to the final thrilling assembly. Remember how we started with simple, everyday items? Ramen noodles, your choice of protein, fresh veggies, and a savory sauce were all it took to create this mouth-watering fusion of Japanese and Mexican cuisines. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. You can switch up the proteins, experiment with different vegetables, or even try out a variety of sauces. The possibilities are endless and tailored to your palate. Think about it. You've just unlocked a new skill. You can now whip up a unique restaurant-quality dish anytime you want. So why not don your apron and try making it yourself? After all, the kitchen is your playground. Thank you for joining in. Don't forget to share your ramen burrito cooking experiences in the comments below. Happy cooking!